Welcome. If you're looking to reply to a message in a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily respond to any message in your X chats without confusion. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Messages. This will open up your inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Next, select the chat where you want to reply to a message. Click on that conversation to open the full chat thread. Now, scroll through the conversation and find the specific message you want to reply to. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Hover your mouse over the message you want to reply to. When you do this, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to the message. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. From the options that pop up, choose Reply. A reply box will now appear, allowing you to type your response directly beneath the message you selected. Go ahead and write your message. Take your time to make sure your reply says exactly what you want. Once you're happy with your message, click the Send button. Your reply will be sent directly in the chat, and it will be clear which message you're responding to, making conversations much easier to follow. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can reply to any message in your X chats on PC using the latest features. This update makes it more intuitive to keep conversations organized and ensures your replies are always clear. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your X experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.